Hi there, Sierra Nevadans. Dr. Evans here with a quick update. This is the week of New Year's Eve and New Year's. Very excited to be looking at 2021. I'm sure I'm not alone in that. This last year has been quite something. I'll just put it that way. We're doing pretty well here at the hospital. We have seen some significant volumes of admitted patients with COVID-19, including in the intensive care unit. Compared to other hospitals in Sacramento, we're still doing pretty darn well, but our staffing has been very tight. We're still dealing with the after effects of a Thanksgiving surge, and we are expecting now to start to enter a time when we see a Christmas surge as well. We still have the opportunity to limit a New Year's Eve surge, so I'm encouraging everybody to not go to any New Year's Eve parties this year and really just be as safe as you possibly can be. Continue to do the masks and the social distancing and all that good stuff. We have been giving vaccinations for COVID-19 here at the hospital to frontline workers and employees and doctors. And this has been very important. Some folks have asked me, what is this vaccine? How does it work? We have two. We have the Pfizer vaccine and we have the Moderna vaccine. And both of these vaccines are what's called mRNA vaccines, and they're very elegant technology. They have been studied for quite a long time. Actually, the mRNA technology has been out for well over a decade. But these are the first vaccines that employ this. And what it is essentially you get a little bit of mRNA, which is like a recipe for a protein that is found on the virus that causes COVID. So the protein is on the surface of the COVID particle. The mRNA makes that protein, your own cells make that protein, and then once that protein is made, your immune system will make antibodies, and you'll end up with cells and antibodies that fight infections from the actual virus. So you don't get the virus with the vaccine, you just get the mRNA. Your own body will dissolve the mRNA, and it will also dissolve the proteins that it makes, and all you're left with after the vaccine is administered and you've had this immune response from it is the memory of the COVID virus particle. So that memory will protect you against infections at a rate of about 95% in both of these vaccinations. So they're very effective. The safety profiles are very, very good. Some people are having mild side effects from the vaccination, but really they're very well tolerated and highly recommended. And this is the way forward for us to get through this pandemic. So I'm encouraging folks to get the vaccine. If you're wondering about when you can get a vaccine and where, the best source of information is the Nevada County website, and you can find that just by Googling it. It looks like there's going to be a lot of different places to get the vaccine. There's probably going to be commercial places like pharmacies out there that are going to be offering the vaccine. Your own doctor's office might do it as well. But there's more information coming all the time, and Nevada County is compiling that for us, including where you are in the tiers that everybody is asking about. So more information to come on that. I'm going to leave it there right now. Please be safe out there. We're going to get through this pandemic, and we're going to get into a much better year coming forward. Happy New Year's, everybody.